Hello everyone, my name is Americano and this is Group 5's Avogadro's Americano group project. The first drink I would like to mention is Korean afternoon milk tea. This drink originates from Japan and the caffeine most likely derives from the tea used, which explains how little caffeine is present. The drink itself isn't very healthy as it contains about 30 grams of sugar. The total mass of this drink is 500 grams. Caffeine mass is 18 milligrams. Caffeine mass when converted to grams is 0.018 grams. The percent composition is 0.0036%, and moles per serving is 0.0000927 per serving. Cost per molecule is 4.479 times 10 to the negative 18th power. The next drink is Cobra Energy Drink. This product is another energy drink. It has B vitamins, ginseng, inositol, and taurine to enhance your mental and physical performance. The total mass is 240 grams. Caffeine mass is 80 mg. Caffeine mass in grams is 0.08. The percent composition is 0.033%. Moles per serving is 0.004119 moles per serving. Cost per molecule is 1.0078764 times 10 to the negative 20th power. The next drink is Diet Sunkist. Compared to the original Sunkist, this version is a healthier alternative but still gives off the same taste. Diet Sunkist is still generally unhealthy as it contains aspartame and other artificial sweeteners. Total mass of this drink is 355 grams. Caffeine mass in milligrams is 42. Caffeine mass when converted is 0.042 grams. Percent composition is 0.012%. Moles per serving is 0.000216 moles per serving. Cost per molecule is 7.302 times 10 to the negative 19th power. Zola dragon fruit flavor is a beverage made with plant-powered ingredients that provide energy. The total mass of this drink is 355 grams. Caffeine mass is 120 mg. Caffeine mass in grams is 0.12. Percent composition is 0.36%. Moles per serving is 0.00617 moles per serving. Cost per molecule is 2.356303384 times 10 to the negative 21 power. The next drink is Lipovitan D Pro. This drink is a very popular energy drink in Japan that is made by the company called Taisho Pharmaceutical. Compared to other energizers, this drink also gives an extra vitamin boost with 5 mg of vitamin B1, B2, and B6. The total mass of this drink is 100 grams. Caffeine mass is 50 mg. Caffeine mass in grams is 0.05. Percent composition is 0.05%. Moles per serving is 0.000257 moles per serving. Cost per molecule is 2.578 times 10 to the negative 20th power. The next drink is called Kyokyo Daha. This drink is made in Japan by Tokiwa Pharmaceutical Company. When consumed, this drink has the same effects of 3 cups of coffee. Compared to energizers like the drink from before, it has 3 times more caffeine in just a small vial. It's not sold for medicinal purposes, but drinking this more than twice a day is not ideal. The total mass of the drink is 50 grams. Caffeine mass is 150 mg. Caffeine mass in grams is 0.15 grams. Percent composition is 0.3%. Moles per serving is 0.000772 moles per serving. Cost per molecule is 6.345 times 10 to the negative 19th power. The next drink is called Tiovita 2000. This drink is a brand of energy drink from Japan. It is created and distributed by the Taiho Pharmaceutical Company. Ingredients in this energy drink include 1000 mg of taurine, 5 mg each of vitamins B1, B2, and B6. This drink has a sweet and medicinal flavor and is considered the flagship energy drink for the company. The total mass of this drink is 100 grams. Caffeine mass is 50 mg. Caffeine mass in grams is 0.5. Percent composition is 0.05. Moles per serving is 0.000257 per serving. Cost per molecule is 0.859 times 10 to the negative 20th power. The biggest bang for our book. Our group concluded that the biggest bang for our buck is the drink, Cobra Energy Drink. It acts as the most. The biggest bang for our buck is Cobra Energy Drink, with 0.004119 moles per serving and 1.00787684 times 10th to the negative 20th power per caffeine molecule. And these are our citations. Thank you.